Welcome back to Bloom. He has been a clinical psychologist for more than 50 years, successfully treating some 30,000 patients, as well as being a consultant for the Air Force, Outback Steakhouse, Hyatt Hotels, police departments, and now clinical psychologist Dr. Vincent Parr has made a huge discovery, a treatment that can cure even the most stubborn lifelong depression in as little as 7 days. Dr. Parr has written a book and created an online video training program, so now anyone can access this help. Joining us on Bloom today is clinical psychologist Dr. Vincent Parr, along with Neil Schauer of the Parr Institute for Mental Wellness. Welcome back to Bloom, gentlemen.
Thank you, Gail.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
It's great to see you guys again. So, Dr. Parr, what is this breakthrough discovery that you made after 50 years of treating people in mental wellness and health?
Well, Gail, again, after seeing about 35 to 40,000 patients, I realized that we all have the same 4 problems: anger, anxiety, depression, and guilt. And we create these problems in exactly the same way. And that's what we go over in the course.
So this course, which is we call it a cure, which may seem like a bold statement, but it really just works that way.
Well, yes, I believe it, and I hesitate using the term cure, but my buddy Neil can explain that. The reason I do is because a lot of my scientific colleagues will jump on me and say, don't use the word cure, but we use it as meaning that, and Neil can explain that.
When you look it up in the dictionary, it means to relieve a person of the symptoms of the feelings of a condition, of a disease, or like anger, anxiety, guilt, or depression. That's what these formulas do. They can relieve you of the symptoms and the feelings right in real time, right now.
And it's a program that you can access online. So, you know, a lot of people go to therapy again and again and again, and they never really work through these problems. But with this program, you can go right back. If you start to feel depression or anxiety or one of the 4 problems that people face, you just go back to that section of the course.
Yes, because we do it the same way every time. And no matter what, it's better to go to the course than to run to your medicine cabinet, because the medicine itself is not going to train you how to think, much less how to dispute how you think. And that's what the course does. It shows you how to dispute and dissolve and detach from these concepts and beliefs that we're clinging to that causes these emotions. And you can go back and repeat it over and over. And actually, if you do it, if you stop the dialogue in your head, like in depression, the hopelessness and helplessness dialogue that's constantly going on, well, you're going to feel better immediately. And you won't need to take that medication for the rest of your life.
Right, and mask those feelings. Neil, we've got a minute left, but this does sound remarkable, because now more than ever, people really need to access this kind of help.
Yes, it's like having a doctor in your pocket. Anytime you feel one of these emotions, you can go to that chapter and learn the exact way you're creating it and how to let go of it. No matter what your problem is, it works for literally every problem for literally every person.
Well, gentlemen, thank you for joining us on Bloom today. I think it's incredible that you have rolled out this kind of help for people, because I know they desperately need it. Thank you both. And if you want to feel better from depression, anxiety, anger, and guilt, go to parrinstitute.org and take the course today. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by the Parr Institute for Mental Wellness.